Hey, Fashion Fam, welcome to your ultimate style destination, the Kiara's channel.
Have you been struggling for literally years and cannot seem to find a solution on how to clear your skin? Have you reached a point of giving up? You've tried every single thing in the market, every single remedy, but you still can't clear your skin? Well, then this is the video for you, because trust me, I've had such a rocky relationship with my skin for years. Like, since I hit puberty, since the time my skin knew ki ha, it can break out, it has been breaking out, and it took me literally 8 years. I'm 21 now. Literally till Feb or March of this year, 2024, it took me to realize what works on my skin. I have cracked the code, and I'm not going to gatekeep over here. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did to not only clear my skin but also maintain it. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so for starters, I would like to share my story. Firstly, my skin is oily to like combination. It is extremely sensitive. Trust me, I have tried everything. Like recently, I think snail mucus was trending, and people would put it on their skin, and everybody it was working for except me. In fact, it made me break out more. So it was a point ki I was honestly, genuinely about to give up. I used to put literally concealer to sleep, क्योंकि आई थॉट इन माई हेड कि अगर मैं देख नहीं सकती तो है नहीं, और मैं डालती थी भी बहुत गंदी तरह से, तो इट लुक्ड वेरी लाइक डर्टी एंड इट यूज्ड टू ऑब्वियसली गेट इनटू माई स्किन एंड मेड इट वर्स. इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली अनहाइजीनिक एंड नॉट इवन हेल्पफुल. So that was obviously an extremely bad idea. On top of that, I feel like to this date, I mean, this is my dad's house. In my mom's house, like my room, it is always dark and there is no mirror in my room, because I used to like to stay in the dark. It had affected me itna badly to the point that I was like, if I can't see myself, it's not that. It was more of an escape. Like in my room, my windows are always drawn, and generally also I don't like looking at the mirror. It has scarred me for life, and I would hate, for now that I've figured out ki what is working for my skin, and if I don't share it and if there's somebody else who's going through the same thing, I would hate myself forever for not sharing it. So I decided to make this video and share it with you guys, because I can truly understand how traumatic it is and how deeply scarring it is. So without further rambling, let's get on with how I cleared my skin. So for starters, we're going to talk about how I cleared my pigmentation. Now, I had a lot of them because during exams and stuff, I would keep popping it. Whenever I was stressed or going through it, I kept popping them, and obviously they left a scar. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did, and trust me, this is a little bit of a longer process. However, it is definitely helpful. I used to take steam every alternate day. Steam as in like I would put the machine on, like put a towel over my head and open up my pores. That was major and so amazing. On top of that, with that I would combine it with putting chane ka atta on my skin. Now I'll be putting like the recipe over here of what chane ka atta is, but I will also be saying it. It was 1.5 tablespoon of chane ka atta, also known as besan, little raw milk, kacha doodh. Basically, you add that as well. Then egg white. If you're non-vegetarian, you can add that, but just egg white, it helps like tighten the skin, so it's really good. Otherwise, avoid that if you're vegetarian. And add a few drops of lime or limbu. Oh, sorry, limbu. What is wrong with me? So if it's too thick, like the mixture, just add a little bit of water, so it becomes thoda thin and like milky-ish. And you put it on your skin, let it sit. Honestly, you'll figure it out when it becomes dry, because it becomes a little thick and it'll be hard for you to move your face. You do that every alternate day. Now, how that is helpful is ki your skin brightens up and it becomes lighter. So when that is happening, instantly your pigmentations also start brightening up. So it just forms one layer of like the same complexion or tone, and that has genuinely helped my skin lose its pigmentation, and I stick by it to this date. After I lost the pigmentation, I did not use it as much, but I still use it once or twice. But if you have a lot, every alternate day or every 2 days, you should definitely use it. Now, I'm pretty sure you're waiting for this. How I cleared my skin. I'm talking acne, active pimples, and just those spots. How did I clear them and how I maintain them? Now, I have tried honestly every moisturizer, every cream, everything did not work for me. However, during like March or something of this year, I found it, and within 2 weeks, all my active pimples and stuff gone and my skin was clear. I use this to this day because it helps a lot. Firstly, I go a lot out to the gym. मैं बहुत gym जाती हूँ. I go out और generally जब भी तुम बाहर आते हो, you come back and I use the Acne Squad face wash. Now this is game changer. It has salicylic acid plus whatever this is, but incredible. It has helped my skin clear to the gods. I love it. It's literally amazing. This, and I pair it with a toner. Now it's the same, it's the Wonder Toner. It's the same thing, but you use a cotton pad and put it all over your skin. Clear. Magic. Genuinely. And moisturizers ke liye, nothing seemed to work for me. This moisturizer doesn't work for me because it makes me break out for some reason, so I don't use that. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now this has like a watery like texture. It's a water gel. So I swear to God, it does wonders. Genuinely, तुम्हारा skin, it makes it smooth, nice, but it doesn't make it itchy or anything. It's heaven. अगर तुम्हें किसी चीज में invest करना है, इसमें करो. And these things are not even expensive. They're very, very affordable. And I would highly recommend you get that if you're trying to clear your skin, because I feel like it works for every skin type. It worked for me and I have extremely sensitive skin. Lastly, I will be showing you the product which is game changer because I have oily skin. So there's oil always seeping out. It is always like texturey, disgusting. And this, I was recommended this by a doormat when I went. The rest of the things I don't follow, none of that. But this is game changer. It's like benzoyl peroxide gel. I don't know, I think it's like 50 bucks or 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. I put it on my skin every single night before I sleep and it has prevented me from having oily skin. My skin has changed. Trust me, if you don't buy any of this, please buy this. It is game changer. I put it all over my face before I sleep. Do not put it here or on your nose because it will dry it up. And because you have oily skin, it balances out because this will make it like completely perfect because it's going to stay balanced. It won't be too oily, it won't be too dry. But just in case your skin becomes quite dry, which it doesn't for me, you could use this. Again, incredible. These are the products I use and trust me, I feel like this will completely change your skin routine. Also, if you use makeup, I use the micellar water. It's amazing, removes your makeup and is also good. Anyway, these are the products that genuinely help transform my skin. It is in a much better place. There was a point कि मैं mirror में देख नहीं पाती थी. I would refuse to go out and it was horrible, honestly. During COVID, the only thing I was glad about, it was a traumatic experience, COVID throughout, overall, for every single person. But the only thing that kept me going was the fact that, oh, I don't have to meet anybody, and if I do, I have to wear a mask on so nobody can see my face. That was more of an escape and hiding. But I'm so grateful to God that I somehow came across these products and it has been game changer. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful in any sort. If you guys try this product or if this helped you out, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.